So guys, I found a very interesting way to capitalize from the new ChatGPT model as well as an AI automation tool called make.com when it comes to helping you sell a digital product. I'm going to take you through everything you need to be aware of, and it essentially comes down to using these different AI tools to help you automate traffic that's going to go directly to a digital product that you don't have to build yourself, as well as a website that you don't have to build yourself, and you're going to be able to use AI. So first things first, let me show you an example of what I'm talking about, right? So if I go over to this tool over here called Digital Maker AI, on the left-hand side, you're going to see this feature called Store Finder. This is updated on a daily basis, but there's a new aspect to it where you're now able to see the stores that are generating traffic using regular blog articles. And many of these blog articles are done using AI automation. For example, if we just go over to this drop down menu over here, you can sort it by sites that have no blog, has an old blog, or maybe an active blog that they're updating on a regular basis. So let me just click into this. And the good thing about this feature is that you're also able to see other information about them, e.g. what type of digital product they're focused on. You're able to see the different marketing channels that they're using, whether they're using Google Ads or Instagram or Facebook. You've also got the option to see if they have a faceless YouTube channel that they're using as well as the total estimated monthly revenue. So yeah, this is a very helpful tool for anyone out there that's thinking about launching their very first digital product, because with this, you can now get inspiration on what's working, what you can potentially replicate, what you can build for yourself. E.g., we've got this site over here that has an active blog. They've also got a faceless YouTube channel, and they're bringing in a decent side income every month. So let's just click into this. What it's going to do is that it's going to take you directly to their blog page, and we can see that they are actively updating a new article every couple of days or so. And we can see that they've got 38 pages worth of blog articles going out on a consistent basis. And this is something that you can do with AI, because all of these different articles have an opportunity or a chance to be ranked in the Google search results. And all this means is that you're putting your website in a position of potentially being viewed by hundreds, if not thousands of people every single day. And yeah, there's so many different sites that are using these different automated blog articles right now. And this is exactly what I want to show you and how you can automate it with ChatGPT as well as make.com. Now, of course, for you to be able to action this as a complete beginner, you're going to have a website as well as a digital product that you're going to sell. And if you don't know, you can actually use Digital Maker AI to build a website for you. Using AI, it's going to take no more than a few minutes. It's going to be completely custom. And then from there, you can use it to build out a sellable digital product as well, because with Digital Maker AI, you're able to build a few different types of digital products, e.g. digital planners. You can also build AI spreadsheets and ebooks. And this is a demonstration website that I built in a previous video. I actually walked you guys through everything I did for me to build out the site. I'm going to link that video towards the end of this video, but as you can see, this is the site right here. This is the digital product that I'm going to be selling. If you can't tell, this is a site that's going to help content creators start their online business and also help them go from 0 to their first 1,000 YouTube subscribers. The only thing that this website is missing is an active blog where new articles are going to be published here every single day without me having to write them myself, without me having to schedule them myself. And the purpose of these articles is that I'm going to be able to drive traffic to this digital product that I don't have to ship out myself, because it's going to be automatically sent to my customers. So one of the first things that you're going to need to do once you've got your digital product ready, you've got your website, is to make your way back over to Digital Maker AI. And the reason for that is because you're going to use it to get your custom prompt so that you know exactly what you need to do to connect ChatGPT to make.com. And it's very simple, because over here in the prompt maker, you're going to see ChatGPT. You're just going to click into it just like that. It's going to give you these two different options, whether you want to use ChatGPT to build a digital product, or if you want to use it to build out a business blueprint. So if I just click into this, over here, you're going to see the option of building an AI automated blog. So let me just click into it and then click on next. It's going to take you through around 3 different questions. It's going to ask you what type of product do you sell. So in this case, I'm selling an ebook, but if you're selling any other type of digital product, you're just going to select it. So let's go with this, click on next. What is your store or products about? I'm going to say to help YouTube content creators start their journey. Okay, let's go with that. Click on next. What is your store name? So the store name is Creator Starter. And finally, how long do I want each article to be? I'm going to say between 1000 to 1500 words, and then I'm going to click on generate prompt. Okay, perfect. So with this prompt, you now need to paste it directly into the latest model of ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy it like that, and I'm going to open it up. And then I'm just going to paste the entire thing in there just like that, and then click on enter. And what should happen is that ChatGPT should read through the entire custom prompt, understand exactly what type of website you have, what type of product you have. And then from there, it's going to guide you through what you need to do within make.com so that you can set everything up, you can automate it, set it and forget it, and then move on to one of the next traffic methods for you to get your potential customers. So I'm going to wait for this to be done. It's going to take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, perfect. So that's now complete. So the next thing that you need to do is just click on the preview button and then make it full screen. And this is everything that you're going to need for you to set up this automation. So it's going to give you the complete step-by-step as to how you can set this up within make.com. It's also going to give you all of the prompts that you need. And it's also going to give you each and every single article for you to automate in the sequence as well. But don't worry, I'm going to show you everything that goes into this, right? So one of the first things that you're going to need to do once you now have your complete breakdown as to what you're going to do within make.com is that you need to make your way over to it. And the good thing about make.com is that it's free for you to sign up, and it's also free for you to set all of this up as well. So you're not going to have to pay anything for you to set up your automation. And that's the reason why I think that this side hustle is worth trying, because number one, you don't need to pay much or anything for you to get your website built, because you can get your website built using Shopify. This is going to be integrated directly within the website builder on Digital Maker AI. Once again, you're just going to select what type of product you want to sell. So if I wanted to sell an ebook, I would just select it. From there, all I need to do is enter the information as to what my site is going to be about. What type of person am I looking to target? And all I need to do is make the $1 payment to Shopify, and I'm going to be able to use it for 90 days without any restrictions. And with the website builder, again, it's going to build a completely custom website that doesn't exist on the internet anywhere else. And this is the type of website that works perfectly and integrates well with make.com. It also integrates with ChatGPT, and it integrates with the general automated blog that we're setting up. So you're not going to have to pay for that. If you also wanted to set up, let's say, email marketing, which is going to be an important part of this entire process, because if you don't have email marketing and you're sending traffic to your website, you're going to end up losing money along the way, because you're not going to collect emails, and those emails you're going to be able to then turn into paying customers in the future. The reason why I recommend using OmniSend is because it connects directly with your store, and the whole process is super seamless, because you can set up a pop-up automation that's going to collect all of your visitors' email addresses, and with OmniSend, it's also free for you to sign up with as well. Even if you've already got email marketing set up with another provider, you can still use OmniSend's migration service once you sign up for one of their pro plans. And being able to switch things over to OmniSend isn't going to be difficult, and ideally it's always good for you to have everything in one place. And right now, most of you are probably thinking, Sam, why would I even switch over to OmniSend, or why would I even sign up to it in the first place? And I would say the reason why I like to use it with the different digital product stores that I'm using is, again, because of the ease of use. Being able to set up that pop-up for you to collect people's email addresses is straightforward. They've got so many different templates that you can choose from. You're just going to click into whichever one matches your brand, and you can always make any adjustments and customize it in whatever way that you want. And literally within a few seconds, the pop-up is going to be available on your website straight away for people to start entering in their email. Not only that, there's also the email automation side of things as well. Being able to write your emails in advance and schedule them far into the future just takes away so much stress. And the best part is that OmniSend now connects directly to Claude as well as ChatGPT, which means that you can get the AI to write the emails for you. The emails are going to go out automatically, which means that you're going to be able to focus on other areas of your business. All you're going to need to do is just log in from time to time to look at your open rates, your click-through rates, and everything like that. See how much your emails are actually generating you. All of the reporting within OmniSend is seamless. So yeah, those are some of the reasons why I like to use it, and I'll definitely recommend that you set it up before you set up any traffic method. I'm going to leave them linked down below. They should be one of the top links in the description. Be sure to check them out. And if you also want to get 30% off your first 3 months, I'm going to leave the coupon code down below, and I'm also going to put it on screen as well. SAM30, enter that in checkout for you to get your email marketing set up today. But yeah, once you do have your email marketing set up and you're ready to start driving traffic and you've logged into your make.com account, this is the first thing that you're going to see. And it's going to be from here where you now need to set up a scenario. Let me show you what a completed scenario looks like just so that everyone's on the exact same page. So it's going to be a case of just connecting a Google Sheet to ChatGPT that's going to write the article. And then from there, the article is going to be published directly to your Shopify store. And don't forget, within ChatGPT, you're going to get everything you need that's going to be custom to the product that you're selling. So first things first, let's set up the Google Sheet. I'm just going to select it like that. And I'm going to click into Watch New Rows. And all you're going to need to do is select the Google Sheet that you're working with. So this is the one that I'm using. These are the different article titles and these are the target SEO keywords. And make sure you stick around for the whole thing because every little part of this is going to connect to one another. So now that I've got the Google Sheet, what I'm going to do is just connect it within make.com. So just like that, I've just selected it and I'm going to say that it's on sheet 1. And I'm also going to change this to 1 so that it looks at one row at a time. Okay, perfect. So now that I've done this, I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so the Google Sheet module has been connected. The next thing is going to be for me to connect it to ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on plus. And then what I'm going to do is look for OpenAI. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to select this one. And the one that you're going to want to search for is generate a completion. So it's going to be this one. By the way, guys, you are going to have to go through the process of connecting your OpenAI account to make.com. You just need to click on add. And then what it's going to do is that it's going to take you over to this page where you need to create an account with OpenAI. You can top up maybe $5, $10. That's probably going to be more than enough for you to automate your blog articles for the remainder of the year. But yeah, you're going to have to go through this process, create your account, and then connect it to make.com with your API key. And the model that I'm going to select to write the articles is going to be the latest model of ChatGPT at the time of me recording this video, which is GPT 5.6. So I'm going to select this one. And in the message section, this is where you're going to add your prompt so that ChatGPT knows exactly which articles that it's going to write. So all you need to do is just click on add and it's going to be in text content that you're going to enter the information. So if we just go back over to ChatGPT, it's going to be this one that you're going to copy. If I just click on copy prompt and then paste everything in there just like that. You also need to make sure that you've mapped everything correctly. So the title is going to be connected to the Google Sheet. I'm just going to make sure that it's connected properly. The SEO keyword, I'm also going to get that it's right there. For the product URL, I'm going to leave it for now. And just make sure that you go through the entire prompt and make sure that you've mapped everything accurately. And now that I've completed this step, the last bit is going to be for me to now connect this all to the Shopify store. So let me quickly walk you through that. I'm just going to click into this, click on add module, and we're going to search for Shopify. And the one that we are going to get is going to be create an article. Once again, you are going to need to connect it to your Shopify store. The way that you can do that is click on add, connection type, click on Shopify. You need to get your subdomain, so not your custom domain. It's going to be the one that looks similar to this. So you can find it in the back end of your Shopify account. Then go over here to blog ID, click into news. The title is going to be the title of the article that's going to appear on your website that visitors are going to see. This is going to be connected directly to your Google Sheet. So you just need to map it correctly. We're just going to go over here to article title. For the author name, I'm just going to put success with Sam for the sake of this example. And over here in the body field is where you're now going to put the actual blog. So you're just going to click into it. You're going to go over here to where it says OpenAI and just click into result and then click on save. And there we go. Just like that, I've now got a fully automated blog article sequence. But let me quickly show you exactly how it works live in action so that you understand exactly how powerful this can be for your digital product store. I'm just going to click into run once. And right there, as you can see, the Google Sheet with all of the article titles is being analyzed. ChatGPT is writing the article and it's now sent it directly to Shopify. So if I go to the back end of this example Shopify store and click into blog post, we can see that the article has just been published. So let's click into it and take a look. I'm just going to go down over here to the actual website, click on the blog link. And yeah, the article has been published. The only thing I'm going to need to do from this point is add an image to it. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is the blog article. People are going to be able to scroll through it. They're going to be able to read it. And of course, if I'm continuously posting blog articles, scheduling them so that they automatically go out, people are going to come across these articles, and then from there they can click into the links in the article as well as the website, and then come across the digital product that I'm selling. So yeah, it's a pretty simple way of being able to get traffic. There's some ways that you can make it slightly more advanced, e.g. by adding the module that's going to automate the image that's going to go on the main image as well as within the article itself. If you wanted me to make an updated video showing you exactly how to set this up, if you did want to automate the image side of things so that you don't have to manually add your images, just put in the comments down below, do the make.com image video as well as your location, and I'll be sure to get onto that video ASAP. And just remember guys, that what I'm showing you is something that I personally do myself. I've been able to benefit from, I'm currently benefiting from, and there's hundreds of different sites out there that are doing the exact same thing. Many of them posting articles every single day, generating traffic from them where they don't need to write the articles themselves. So yeah, let me know down below if you're going to set this up for your store. Let me know if you've got any questions whatsoever. But if you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything, you got any sort of value from it, don't forget to press the like button. I'll really appreciate that. Don't forget to check out Digital Maker AI down below as well as OmniSend. It's very important to make sure that you get your email marketing set up ASAP before you set up any traffic source. So yeah, you're going to find all the information to OmniSend in my description down below. And if you wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time breaking down the fine details as to why email marketing is important, you're going to be able to watch that video by clicking the link on the screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.